how to add link in Instagram post. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Instagram app. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account. After that, you have to go to the post of which you want to share the link. For that, you have to tap on the profile icon which is in the right lower corner. After that, you will be able to see your post. So tap on the post, and from here you can see the arrow like sign in the left hand side. So tap on that. From here you have to copy the link of the post. So after that, the link has been copied to your clipboard, so go back, and from here you can add the link to your profile, due to which people will be able to go to your post. So for adding the link to your profile, you can tap on the profile icon which is in the right lower corner. After that, you have to tap on the edit profile option over here, and here you have to tap on the add link option. So tap on add external link option. You have to tap on the URL and paste the link that you have copied. So after that, you have to enter any of the title like, and you have to tap on the tick which is in the blue color. For that, the link has been added, so you can go back and check whether the link has been posted over here or not. So here you can see the link has been displayed. So whenever the person tap there, then they will go to your post. And the next way is you can tap on the your story option which is in the left upper corner, and from here you can select any of the photo, and here you have to tap on the sticker icon which is in the upper portion. So you can tap and search for link option, and here you have to enter the URL by simply holding and pasting it. After that, you have to tap on done. So after posting on the story, people will be able to see this link on your story, through which they'll be able to see your post. So by following this simple step, you can add link in Instagram post. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching till the end.